What is up, you guys, and welcome back to Hypegeek. My name is Colin, and I know I haven't been outing a lot of content for you guys. I really do apologize for that. I mean, we are in the middle of a pandemic. We still are in the middle of a pandemic, but something came in the mail today. Yes, you're seeing a 350 box. It's a Yeezy 350, and this is something that I ordered, I think, even before the whole ECQ happened. It just took a while to actually get here, and I'm really surprised that they even pushed and delivered it while, you know, the ECQ has not been lifted. But it's here right now, and I really want to show it to you guys. I really want to unbox it with you guys as well, and let's go. But before we actually even go with that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so, because we are outing more and more videos for you guys. And I know we just finished our Dragon Ball Z X Pen Shop giveaway. If you don't know who won, you better check the video where I actually posted. I'm gonna link it up here. It's the Final Fantasy VII Collector's Edition video, so it's right there. At the end of the video, you'll know who won. But whoever you are, congratulations. I will be PMing you soon, or if you actually see it first, you can DM us or DM me either on my Instagram or on our Facebook page at facebook.com/ungeekth. So what is this new item that we are going to be giving away? Well, something to do with this. Magic. Yes, it is a Pokemon symbol you're seeing here. It is also a New Era cap. So this is a Pokemon New Era collection. This was launched in, I think, exclusively in Japan last year. So I'm going to be giving away this exact cap to one of you lucky viewers. So if I were you, I would be watching all of this until the end, so I'd know how to go about winning this amazing trucker cap. And with that out of the way, let's go on with the unboxing. So what is this? This is actually the Yeezy 350v2 Earth, part of a 3-pack that launched at the end of February this year. Along with this came Flax and Tail Light, and all of these three are actually region exclusives, with the Earth being a US or North America exclusive, the Tail Light being a European exclusive, and the Flax being an Asian exclusive, which is, you know, what I think a lot of people got. Unfortunately, I took an L with that, and I tried my luck on Yeezy Supply, and lo and behold, ba-bam, got one. To be fair, among the three, this is actually my favorite colorway, and I'll show you guys why. But before we finally open this up, I know ang haba ng intro, but as a precaution, guys, anything that you get on the mail right now, as much as possible, try to disinfect it. It's better to be safe than sorry, as they say. So taking off this cling wrap. Now, I understand that in Yeezy Supply, you usually get this double box, and I probably did actually get this double box, but the forwarder that I booked, I think they opened it up so that they can check what's inside, and then they cling wrapped it again. And cling wrap off, there we go. The box did take a hit because it was not double box, or the shipping company where we chose to send this to decided to open the box up and not include the double box anymore. But when you do buy anything from Yeezy Supply and or Adidas, you should be getting a double box package, which, you know, prevents stuff from this. So no matter how many cling wraps you add, this is really going to happen. Thank God I'm really not one of those people who are very particular about this, but if you are very particular about it, I might suggest you not going with Kango anymore. Try Shipping Cart or Johnny Air Cargo. You know what? But we're here to actually enjoy the footwear, so let's just open this baby up. Opening this typical Yeezy cardboard box. And here you go. Inside it is, ba-bam, the Yeezy 350 V2s in Earth Tone colorway. It really does look better on hand than in the photos. In the photos, this looks a little bit darker. On hand, it looks much lighter. It's less to do with, I guess, an earth or a dirt colorway, and more coffee or coffee ice cream. If you have ever had coffee ice cream, the color kind of reminds me of that. But yeah, what I really love about this is how simple the upper and the color blocking is. This is one of the more neutral Yeezys that I actually have in my collection. And if you know me, if you've seen the stuff that I out on Hypegeek or in Ungeek, you know that I am a man of color. I mean, obvious, diba? I love me some really loud, popping, neck-breaking, head-turning, attention-grabbing colors. That is me. Okay, that is my profile. So it's kind of weird that I actually gravitated towards this versus even the other two that came out with the pack, you know, Flax and or Tail Light. A lot of people might assume that I'd go with Flax just because it's yellow, and or Tail Light because it has that loud color at the back, that red-orange thing happening at the back. But I love this because I can actually wear this with a lot more of my outfits, and it actually sort of pushes me to be more creative with the clothing choices that I make. Color blocking wise, this actually kind of reminds me of butter. You know, when you have the same color of your prime knit upper to your laces, to your heel tab, and it just creates a really clean colorway for the silhouette. You know, the silhouette is really going to shine here. Now, of course, this version, and along with a lot of the newer versions of the V2s, have this singular mesh sort of line cutting through your whole prime knit upper here at the lateral side. None on the medial side. Everything is just here. So aside from that, of course, your midsole is encased in another sort of darker brown shade of TPE or PVE here that houses a really huge chunk of boost material. On the outsole is another darker shade, and I do love this detail. I do love that pop of yellow there. I mean, I'm sure no one's really going to see that once, you know, you start using it, but just the idea of having that small additional detail there, I dig it. I dig it. Now again, as I mentioned, what makes this even more special is it is the first time that I actually won something on retail at yeezysupply.com. It's actually the first time that I logged into Yeezy Supply and got myself a Yeezy for retail. And the great thing about buying stuff abroad for Yeezys is that it costs $220, which is a lot cheaper than if you buy it here. A typical Yeezy now costs 13,000 pesos. $220, rough equivalent if you convert it, is somewhere around 11,000 pesos something. Add in around 1,300 or 1,500 pesos of international shipping via third-party shipper, and you're good to go. Now, as for sizing, I usually go half a size up on the Yeezy 350v2. So these are my Ultra Boost size. So I am a size 9 on my true to size. These are 9.5s. But again, that works on my feet. It might be different on your feet. So if you do get a chance to try one for yourself first, I do suggest you go with that, try out for yourself, and then see what fit works best for you. So as I mentioned a while ago, the reason why I really love this is because of how neutral the color is. It does force me to be a little bit more creative, and you can actually pair this with so many things. Blue would be ideal for this because blue and brown are natural contrast, and they're really good. What you don't want to do though is pair this with anything green because you're gonna look like a tree. Like so. So let's fix that. But bam, see, just a different shade and it makes everything better. So you can wear this with a whole lot of stuff as well. You can go with light jeans, you can go with gray jeans as well, maybe darker jeans, sure. Navy actually kind of works really well with this, so if you have navy jogging pants, it's going to work well. A lot of earth tones, again, you could go with that. And again, what I really love about this colorway is how flexible it is in terms of the seasonality of your Yeezy. If you're looking for a Yeezy that you can wear the whole year round, this would be it. You can wear this during the summertime where it's, you know, a little bit warmer and, you know, colors are popping and you want something more lighter. And if you want to wear this towards the end of the year where, you know, things are a little bit darker, the season is a little bit colder, then it's going to work really good as well. And that's it for this really quick unboxing. Now for the mechanics of how to win yourselves this. Now this is a Pokemon New Era cap that we got sometime in Japan last year, and this is oh, apparently it's a golf cap. I thought it was a trucker cap, sorry about that, it's a golf cap. And for you to be able to activate this, right now we are currently at 7,300 plus subscribers. If you can get our site up or the channel up to 8,000 subscribers, then this is a go. We're going to activate this. And how do we do that? Basically, just comment down below your thoughts on geek and fashion collaboration. Are you up for it? Do you like it? Do you like that your geekery is now part or being part of a mainstream audience or being broadcast to a larger audience at that? So let us know your comments down below and add your IG handle as well. And add me on IG. I'm going to put my IG handle here, and add us on Facebook as well. That's facebook.com/ungeekph. And that's it, guys. I cannot wait to rock this after ECQ has been lifted. And don't worry, I'm going to be trying my best to out more and more videos for you guys, particularly for Hypegeek. And as always, Hypegeek should be coming out every Thursday, 7:30 p.m. And if you like the old stuff, well, Hypegeek Rewind should be uploaded at Saturdays, 5:30 p.m. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Guys, please do keep safe, keep healthy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Peace out.